Hi everyone. As you can guess by the title, I'm a great Doctor Who fan, and I would like to build my own version of the TARDIS. My favorite Doctor is Peter Capaldi, and he has also my favorite TARDIS. And so for the interior, I would like to take inspiration from Matt Smith's / Peter Capaldi's TARDIS. I prefer, however, the Peter Capaldi version because it has the orange tubes instead of the blue ones, because I think that the blue ones are a bit too dark, make the room a bit too dark. As many people, I dislike the 13th Doctor, but just one thing that I like, it's the interior of the TARDIS. I would like to make something that's between the 12th and 13th Doctor for the interior. However, I would like to put some violet lights in TARDIS because I really like that color. For the console, I'm gonna take inspiration from Capaldi one and the classic series ones, because I prefer a more basic and straight style than the more organic styles that we have seen in the other, like Tennant, Ecclestone and Whittaker, and also the first Smith's TARDIS. So I really like the old series consoles. There was one problem because I don't have space to build it. I don't have a garage or basement to build it, so I have to build it in my room that's not too big, and my parents would not want to keep a giant TARDIS console in my room, so I had to figure out a way to build it. But then I had an idea. I thought I could build a TARDIS console in pieces, so every time I need it, I can build it, and then I can take all the pieces away and put them in the closet. However, I don't want to recreate a console, but I want to build my own. So I am gonna create all the panels by me, and I'm gonna, of course, take inspiration from the Capaldi ones, a lot of inspiration, but I'm gonna decide how I put the levers, the little buttons, the switches, and all these things. For the central core, I don't know how, the time rotor. Before I thought I could build a little one, that round one, like in the classic series, but then I really don't like to be short and to not arrive to the ceiling. So I decided to build it not to the ceiling, because the ceiling in my room is really high, and then when I have to take all the pieces off, it wouldn't be easy to put in another place so big. So I decided to make it a little bigger, than the classic series one, a little higher. So if I want to do like photos, or I want to shoot fun episodes, I can do it without showing the upper part that is empty. Also, before I thought I would do it like we always seen them round, but now I decided to do it hexagonal, because when it's really hard to find a clear plastic tube of that dimensions, and then I really prefer it hexagonal. Then I think that inside I'm gonna be putting lights, but I'm not sure if I'll put a little engine that will spin these lights. I'm not sure. I will think about it and I will let you know. I think this is all. Now you can see these photos. This is the miniature that I created. This is scale 1 to 10, and you can see the little character that has my height, so I can see how high I have to do the console. And I create also the walls in cupboard, because I think I'll make also walls for my TARDIS. I'm not sure about the walls, but I think and I want to create also the walls. I start with the console and then maybe I'll build also the walls. I would like to build the exterior of the TARDIS, but I can't, so I'm just gonna be building the interior. However, this was everything. Leave in the comments your thoughts, and please in the comments correct my mistakes, because I'm Italian, and if you correct me, you will help me to improve my language. Let me know what you think of my plans. Thank you for your attention and have a good time. Bye. Allons-y.